stand up there wait upon a taxi. A madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So me run.
Okay.
When me run, him take out a slingshot, take up a stone off of the ground and shot me in my back.
Oh, so you get a back shot. Okay. Then what happened after that?
No, squad it. Alright, hear me again.
Me I hear you, man. Me I hear you. My ears are work.
The man a run me down with the knife.
Yeah.
Him pull out a slingshot.
Yeah.
Take up a stone off of the ground.
Yeah.
Put in the slingshot.
Yeah.
And shot me in my back while I'm running.
So now that me I write down, man, so you get a back shot. I that me right, you know.
Yo, Squaddy, you make the thing look away, Squaddy.
Oh, me I make the thing look away.
Yeah, dog, you make the thing look freaky.
Oh, me I make the thing look freaky. How will you tell me I write down, you know?
I tell you, say, it's a slingshot.
Alright, so me ask you a question. How where the man do?
Man shot me.
And how where him shot you?
In my back.
So when you put that together, where you get?
Shot back.
What?
You get shot back. When you put it together, you get shot back.
No, brother. No.
I know so it go.
If you go in front of the judge will tell you say a back shot you get.
Charge you, that me I try show you no officer, you make it look like a bed man bend over.
Hey yo, you take it to a place where me nah go there with you, you know. So here one, me I go call it in and make them tell you what to do. And that me I do, cause me nah go there with you. Wherever you go, me nah go there. Me just call it in.
No, me nobody want your help, officer. Me did it myself.
Officer reporting.
So me nobody want your help.
Me I report a sexual assault in the RP3 area, you know. A man come to me and I tell me say a man run him down and give him a back shot.
Blood clot.
Alright, copy that. Yo, me I forgot to take you to the nearest hospital, you know. Make them check your vitals if you have no STD.
Jamaicans, I think those are the only black people that don't like black people. They come to this country and treat us like we immigrants. They come at yeah. Yankee boy, he lazy. He don't want work. I got 3 jobs, you can't get 1 job. If you let one go, maybe I can start my life, Winston.
What's up, my beautiful people? Just the other day after I posted a video that says that Jamaican is the best and the most influential black country, I faced a lot of discrimination. Some have decided to abuse me in the comment. Some have decided to they have decided to unsubscribe to my YouTube channel. But in today's guys video, I have made a compilation of videos that totally proves that Jamaican is the most influential country. Jamaican is the most loved and adored country in the universe. So guys, this video is about this. It's about some comedian who truly recognize Jamaican in their show. They make sure that they give a shout out to Jamaica. They make sure that they acknowledge Jamaica. So guys, I want also to appreciate you. You know, you have been with me since the journey, and now I want to thank you for the 540 subscriber. May God bless you. So guys, let's jump into this. I'll be back with some comment. Thank you guys.
I think those are the only black people that don't like black people. They come to this country and treat us like we immigrants. They come at yeah. Yankee boy, he lazy. He don't want work. I got 3 jobs, you can't get 1 job. If you let one go, maybe I can start my life, Winston. I'm regular. When I first met one, we didn't even get along. Because he stuttered, he gonna get mad at me because I don't know what the hell he talking about. He gonna come up to me like, you know, I thought this was a singer. I started doing this shit right here. I'm like, when the album coming out? I want to support you. Then he threatened me.
I grew up around black people. You don't scare me. I grew up around Jamaicans, man. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. Any Jamaicans here tonight? They're like the most passive Jamaicans ever. They're like, bo lick shot. I, man, a brethren, is a Jamaican. They're the quietest Jamaicans in the world. Jamaicans are hard people to grow up around. You know why? Because when I was growing up around Jamaicans, you hang around Jamaican people long enough, you feel the need to want to be Jamaican. They just look so cool. Everything about them is cool. When I was a kid, I was like, I wanted to be Jamaican so bad. I started dressing like a Jamaican. I started wearing a little red, yellow, and green belt. And I started talking like a Jamaican. I started listening to reggae music. I started having kids I didn't know about. I did everything that I possibly could. But you know what the shitty thing is? A Jamaican will never act like you. You're never gonna see a Jamaican guy that grew up with a bunch of Indian guys walking around going, hey baby, whopping. It's not gonna happen, you know? Felt bad for my dad because he tried fitting in with my Jamaican friends when I was growing up. You don't ever want a man from India trying to speak like a Jamaican at any point during his life. My friends would be in the living room, my dad walking, okay, come on, Marlon, move your bumbo clot and go home. My dad thought punani was a tropical fruit. It is, if you think about it. For the older white folks that look confused right now, punani is the Jamaican word for a woman's... You know what I'm saying? For her pum-pum. My dad thought it was a tropical fruit. One time when I was a kid, I was sick and I was messing around with my dad. He came here and he goes, oh my God, son, you're sick. What can I get you? I go, Dad, I love punani. My dad went to the Jamaican store. Hey lady, where's your punani? My son is at home sick. He needs punani right now. Give me two. Is it ripe? Let me squeeze it. No seeds.
Jamaican men have this weird talent where they're able to say the most sexually outrageous thing to you and make it sound like the most beautiful poem ever written by a man. And I literally saw it happen the other day. This man walked up to this woman and said, me want dive in your vagina and swim around like Poseidon. Sometimes it can be so supportive as well. Jamaican men have their own way of supporting women. I used to be really insecure about my fupa. Everyone know what a fupa is? For those of you who don't know, it basically stands for like fat upper pussy area. It's here. It's here, yeah? And I used to go out of my way to try and hide it. Winston turned to me and said, good pum-pum deserves shelter. I said... Started walking into parties belly first like the Grinch. I said, yes, it's true.
And what we as Jamaican don't like, we don't like when somebody as Jamaican talk to we like them a Yankee. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit. Yeah, Jamaicans don't like that shit at all. And right now my dad cringing. Yeah, the moment you start talking like this, it's like, why am I talk like that? No, I'm frightened. And that Jamaican saying, I'm frightened.
The women in Jamaica are aggressive. Not like the girls from Brixton. These ones are for real, bruv. Man, them, you ever shook in a woman's hand and you feel like the female? I was like, hi. She's like, me and my brethren, we was in Donovan's van. This woman bust into the van. Yo, where you from? My voice got high. I was like, Hackney. I don't sound like that. She goes, yo, Hackney boy, you want some of this pum pum? Ladies and gentlemen, I was so scared. I was like, no, I've got a man. Thank you. She was still on it. I had to keep walking like this.
We don't cooperate, baby. Why you think they ain't fuck with Air Jamaica? It's a lot of fuel on that plane, but they know. They get on Air Jamaica, they be like, oh, shit. Call Osama, this is not the right flight. No, they have dreads. This is not going to work. You can't get on Air Jamaica talking about, hello, we are taking the plane. All you hear is, sit down. Talk about hijack your mother. They hit it with the pussy, you know me. Cause that's a word in Jamaica. Can't hijack no plane full of angry Jamaicans. If it's Jamaicans in here, I'm sorry. Y'all the angriest group of black people on the fucking planet. They will lick shot for every fucking thing.
Good morning, class. Now, Mr. Up here is off sick, so you're going to have a new teacher today. Her name is Miss Kingston, and I want you all to be on your best behavior.
Yes, Mrs. Johnson.
Okay, shut your mouth, shut your mouth, shut your stinking beaks. My name is Miss Kingston. Can anybody spell Kingston? You.
K-A...
Wrong! Did your father teach how to spell? Or did he just teach how to fuck up woman's life? Sorry about my language. The correct spelling for Kingston is K as in mess with me, I will kill you. As in I don't need no good for nothing shit of a rotted, wife dumping, run off with a slut, ugly man. Put your bumbleclad hand down. Today, we're going to teach about life. Yes, you beautiful future Prime Minister.
My mummy said that we should love life.
And I say, life is like a birthday. Then a man comes along and just shits in your kitchen. Sorry about my language. Don't tell your parents I swear. But if you do, I will fuck you up.
May I have a plaster?
In Jamaica, we only use plasters for three things. 1, as sellotape. 2, as a silencer. And 3, as contraception.
Miss?
Shut your mouth before me thump you and your blood. It's now time for you to learn your nursery rhyme. All together now. Baba, black man. You cut them all off. Shut your mouth, shut your breath, shut your stinking beaks. Because you're short, that means you're close to the ground, which means you're close to my foot. So unless you want to feel my foot, come on, me blood clot, Ross class. And me say, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen.
And the Jamaicans here, I love y'all niggas, even though y'all talk backwards. You ever call a Jamaican house at night? Them niggas answer the phone, they go, hello, good night. You be just standing there like, I know this bitch ain't just hang up on me. My man Jamaican, I know they talk backwards. Me and this nigga went to the store to buy new shoes. I'm showing him the shoes. I said, Trevor, look, these shoes is brand new. He gonna look at his shoes and go, yeah, this is a new brand. You ever go to the Jamaican store? Is it me? Or it ain't never a nigga at the counter when you get there? You gotta hold the shit up you trying to buy and call him from the back. You be like, yo! Huh? How much? Huh? Hold on. How much is this? You be in a Jamaican store so long, you be like, you know what? I should walk the fuck out with this shit. As soon as you get that thought in your head, this nigga come from the back of the store, you know, this nigga right here. Bombaclad. What happened? You be like, what happened, nigga? I want to know how much is the 40? That 40 right there? Yeah, this one. How much is it, nigga? The big one? Yeah, the big one, nigga. How much is it? Stop playing. All right. Hold on a minute, man. I'm gonna go find out for you. Hey, that's my time, man.
Welcome back, my people. I've been your host, Nelson. I hope that you'll forgive me for giggling and smiling all over. And what I've just watched was amazing, guys. I mean, Jamaican is being loved and adored, guys. I wonder, how do people get the courage? How did some people get the courage to hate on Jamaica? These people are very good, you know. Just imagine the world without Jamaica. Just, guys, take your time and imagine this world without Jamaican. It will be so boring. It will be so boring, and I don't know how it will be. So, guys, you have seen the video and you have seen that Jamaican are being embraced all over the world, and those videos did not just happen in the Caribbean, in Jamaica. Those videos were happening all over the world, all over different continents, and many people were enjoying them. So, guys, these videos are very good, and you have seen that it's a proof that Jamaican is being loved and many people adore Jamaican. How can you hate a world that has produced the best music? How can you hate a world that has produced us Bob Marley, guys? You all know Bob Marley. Everybody knows Bob Marley. How can you hate a world that has produced Bob Marley? How can you hate a world that has produced the fastest runner, and that is Usain Bolt? How can you hate the world that has the best and the most verified in and the most good dishes, guys? I mean, Jamaican is very beautiful and many people do love Jamaica. So, guys, for those people, I know there are those people who feel jealous and they feel like Jamaican is the only one being recognized. Yes, Jamaican is being recognized worldwide. For those people who are feeling jealous, just find something to do, like make yourself busy. And if you think that you can do better than Jamaican, do it and you will see. If you think that you are better than Jamaican, why is it that the world has not recognized you? Why is it that only the world recognizes Jamaica? You can just keep yourself busy. If you think you hate Jamaica, keep yourself busy, or try to do something that at least the world will recognize you for, instead of producing some funny videos of mocking Jamaican and expecting people to join you in that thing. So, guys, those people that are hating on Jamaica, please make yourself busy, because Jamaican is being loved. Even here where I lived, I've seen that many people do love Jamaica, and I've seen many buses. In my last video, I hope that you will go through them. In my last videos, I have shown you that there's some buses that have graffiti of this legendary musician like Bob Marley. Some have some tattoos of Sharika Jackson. Some have tattoos of Usain Bolt. That is because Jamaican is being loved. Jamaican is being adored by many countries. So those pity people who want us to do hate Jamaican, I have to tell them, sorry, we don't have that time. We all do love Jamaica, and we all love Jamaica. You know, Jamaican has the best food. Jamaican has many people. Even me myself, I wish that I could visit Jamaica. You know, Jamaican is among the most countries that visitors go there throughout. Jamaican has the best sceneries. Like you can have a nature walk. The place is so beautiful. The food there so fresh from the farm. There is no like problem with with body problem, like you cannot, because the food is straight from the farm and people really do enjoy it. So guys, you've seen that Jamaican is being loved, and many people do love, because when guys, when too many people, when like many people learn, they still have, there will be haters in there among. So Jamaican is being loved by many people. That's why there's so many haters who are trying to pull them down. But I know Jamaican is strong. To my Jamaican people, what one man, you're strong, and we do love you, and we do love, we support you, because guys, if you hate Jamaica, even me myself, if I was not loving Jamaica, when I'm doing my own things, like I'm scrolling, I could not scroll like 5 or 6 video without finding anything about Jamaica. I scroll past 2 videos, 3 videos, I find like Jamaican music. I scroll another 6 videos, 7 videos, I found like a video, but it contains Jamaican song. That shows you that Jamaican is on top. Like Jamaican is always on top, and Jamaican will always be on top and will always shine. So guys, to those people that do love Jamaican, we all do the same, and to those that hating Jamaican, like they're spreading hate, like make yourself busy, like try at least to uplift your country and see them, because now Jamaica is on top, and we all do love Jamaica, and all will be well. So guys, before forgetting, I want to thank you, because now I'm at 540. It was the other day that I was telling you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I was starting it, but you have shown me love. The Jamaican people, I know it's not only Jamaicans that have subscribed to my channel. I know there are many people, and I want to appreciate them, because I'm still young and I'm still learning some things. So guys, I want to appreciate you. Now I'm at 540 subscribers. Bring them, keep subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll be bringing you some good videos, some trending ones, and I hope that you will enjoy them. So guys, you can interact in my comment, you can share it to your friends, and I'll be so thankful. So one love, welcome to my Jamaican people. Big up on yourself. One love. I've been your host Nelson. One love, guys.